Cody,
What's up?
what is your favorite spot to work outside of your office?
Probably the hallway? That's actually where the most important conversations at Gitwit happen.
You're on the product team. What does that entail?
Pretty fluid role. Depending on the day, I might be leading a workshop, being a part of some creative concepting, or writing code. Just depends.
How many apps do you currently have on your phone?
342.
Okay, your role is ever evolving. What are you currently working on?
I'm trying to find some empathetic ways that we can bring AI to products and processes.
What are you currently listening to on repeat?
Either some hypnotic dance music, disco, Taylor Swift, or the same 30 seconds of a podcast because I wasn't paying attention.
What are some of your favorite accomplishments as a nitwit?
Ooh, that's a good one. Last year, I taught myself how to code using ChatGPT. I'm pretty proud of that.
What is your favorite thing about the Gitwit offices?
Ooh, probably the secret scavenger hunt. So if you ever see one of these, you should scan it.
Thanks for your time today, Cody.
See ya.